I am here in the eastern woodlands of Turtle Island, around the north shore of Lake Erie, otherwise known as Southern Ontario. And this is a little patch of Carolinian forest that I'm exploring. I can tell by the intact pit and mound topography, the variations in the soil down here, that this land was never plowed and machinery never came in here. But by the total lack of oaks, beech, or tulip trees over about 150, I can tell that the biggest trees were cut down before petroleum machinery existed and hauled out of here by horse. This is one of the older trees I've found here. Beautiful American beech. Probably about as old as the nation state of Canada. Looking like a column of cement or a giant elephant foot reaching into the sky. And while the elder trees might have been removed well over a century ago, I find it very promising to find the pit and mound topography intact here, soil ecology, and indicators for good soil ecology like large colonies of these guys, ramps, wild leeks, as well as pawpaw, wild ginger, American ginseng, and a number of other shrubs that are dependent on intact soil ecology. So it's an opportunity to take soil samples from intact Carolinian ecology, infuse the compost, save seeds from the rhizomatous plants, and hopefully this land allows to be continued to regenerate, and these middle-aged oaks and tulip trees and beech can be allowed to achieve their full potential given a few more centuries.